So here we are in the garden. This is one of our sunflowers. Now, in case you didn't know, sunflower actually comes from the daisy family. And it's obviously well known for its oily seeds, which are used for producing oil. And it can also be used for bird food. And of course, you can use it in cooking as well, for bread and cakes and things like that. So, as you can see on here, we have an amazing bee there trying to get nectar, I think. And this is like the common garden sunflower, which is just used for decoration really, but they look so good. And this bee is really loving what's in this flower. I always think it's amazing to see nature at work, the natural nature like this, and a bee that doesn't seem to be too bothered that I'm getting close up to it. It's probably too occupied with the getting the pollen, you know. Look at that. Now, I'm not sure what type of bee this is. I know one of the common bees you can get in a garden is the mason bee, but I'm not sure if this is the mason bee or not. There are quite a few different species of it, but they love them sunflowers. There he is, beautiful. Yeah. Oh, looks like he's having a rest now. Seems to have stopped. I guess they all need a rest. But yeah, they've come up nice this year, these nice sunflower. And there he goes, he's off. He's off. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed looking at that there. Catch you on the next one.